Regis students. How are you? So we are back on track and finishing the rest of the code books out this week. You're going to have flexible time on when you look at them. You're going to see that they're streamlined per topic. We kind of have done the heavy lift for this semester. So we're going back over iteration, and it's because we're going to be doing recursion next, and so this is just to prepare your brain. So iteration, it's a means of reading, writing, and counting things in a data structure or a list or a spreadsheet. So you can literally count rows and columns, and you do this by traversing the data structure. And so it's a very old technology. It is one of the most fundamental. I have said that before, but just reminding you. And so the main ones are for and while. And then we go into the advanced one, recursion, which is going to be in, I think, Codebook 11. And so the patterns are, usually you're going to have, like we have for I in a range of 5. So in the 7 Pillars of Python, I give all these definitions for these items, if by chance you did print that. But these 4 patterns right here are the main ones of using for, while, or using a nested loop. That's when we have a loop within a loop, or when we go through items that are in a list, or in, this is a list right here. And so I don't expect you to have to know all of that, but if you were to put this code in, you should be able to get an answer on that pretty quickly. So we're just going to be going through these, and we're going to do advanced iteration, which we'll do, there'll be multiple layers, and then file iteration, so going and reading a bunch of text data from your hard drive. Okay.